All right, folks, let's roll. It's Friday morning coming at you live from Grand Rapids, Michigan. That's right, got a hockey tournament this weekend. About to get down. First game coming up here, a couple hours. Markets got the big risk event out of the way. That's right, we had that inflation number. CPI came in at 6.8%. Big number. Fastest pace of inflation since the early 80s. What did the market do? Well, that risk event's out of the way, shrugged it off. Markets are trading higher. Dow Jones up by better than 150 right now. We're seeing some strength in the pre-market as we open things up. We're seeing a stronger dollar sitting at 112 in the euro. We're seeing oil trade higher, up above $71 a barrel in WTI. So again, big risk event out of the way. Markets are popping as a result. We're getting a little bit of activity. There's going to be some volatility today, some price action to be able to trade. Let's get in there. Let's have a fun day. Let's have a strong end to the week. And I'll see you folks again on Monday morning.